So it's Happy Dayz on podcast. Yeah. My name is Mr. Twana. Yeah, no, today, ngiyayiswinkela nje esitulweni umuntu okhuleke blind. Akekho umuntu ozoloku ethi ntwana yami yathi nje khulekile. Welcome to Happy Dayz. It's always a happy day to have a good day. Namhlanje ngibone nje ukuthi sichile sibe right. Namhlanje sizogeleza. Yeah, sizela ukugeleza namhlanje. Yeah, wasifake esiqele. Ukuthi nje asibanga manje. Yabona. Ngayincwadi emva kwethu kanjani, mara sizogeleza vandag. Namhlanje ngiphethe Benedict Phiri. Let me just call it in a proper manner. Yabona, ngithi nje ulona attorney Benedict Phiri. Yeah. In the house. Yeah. Live Ilo. In our studios.
In my house.
In your house. You must stand there. You must stand there. I remember when I called you to say to you, we're trying to start a podcast and people are starting to disappoint me. Now I don't have a vein. And then now I'm worried because we promoted this thing and then we asked about Balindi. You know, promoted so September.
Yes.
So second September, very it's worried. A team say big to wars about. But it's in Benedict out of your car. Man, who work over for this?
Rich.
Why from the scratch? I was like, what? But I just want people to know.
And also self-supportan. I wanna like that's the point. I wanna like umuntu mawukhona ukhonumwazi.
I know you take credit.
Just uthando one way.
Abantwana ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba bekuthi ENCA make a chance go ETV. Hayi awuthamba. Nami ngigama interviews mara ufunwa yimi ENCA. Wobo ufuna mina.
Sure.
When you just gave me a chance and I'm so grateful for because man just we're running to a whole lot of episodes.
Sure.
Happy Dayz.
It's the point.
On podcast.
Happy Dayz.
It's all because of you. So see happy vandag. Sizokhuluma ngesponsor. Sizokhuluma there's a lot that is happening, especially njoba so festive as December already. But if you can check in the country, there's a whole lot of things that's here. So ezinye izinto sinokuba understand ukuthi lawful is sebenza kanjani, because if you remember, let me just take you back ngendaba eyenzeke was it this year early or last year indaba ka Jacob Zuma magaboshwa but they just think ukuthi baze bambamba ulona former president ngezinto azenzi kanti it was not necessarily about it doesn't see you know, it was just a contempt in court is why they gave him. So ngifuna ukuthi sesiplanana izinto ezinjengale you know ukuthi kuhamba kanjani umuntu mangabe i-court or bathi woza e-court unga e-court uyaboshwa for that.
Uyaboshwa yabona futhi important yabona i-court mangapha umuntu i-court order but ambobhadala lo muntu 100,000
maybe
uyakusuka lo muntu yabona bese wena uyibhadala yo 100,000 enza ngamabomu yabona i-difference ukuthi wenza ngamabomu because kuyenzakala ukuthi mhlambe bathi bhadala 100,000 mara ayikho bese usheriff uthatha izinto zakhe yazibhayisa yabona izinto ezinjalo but awenzanga ngamabomu yabona
mara uzukhawathi ukuthi yena ukhawathe kahle ukuthi athi angeke ngiye
exactly into emkhawadile leyo because the moment uthi sengizo disregard ukuthi lo bantu bathini anginandaba nokuthi bathini ngamabomu ake kusho kulaba bazokubopha khona exactly and uyazi ukuthi umsholozi uzondo umbizile akayanga uzondo wathi kings we court ukuthi court ikutshela ukuthi uze kimi yabona
still what angike
i-court yamtshela ukuthi iya kuzondo instead of ukuthi yenaye uthi lapha uzondo akana legitimacy yabona wavela wambeka le uzondo so obvious uzoboshwa ke
so he was like acting but une power over
exactly
so he can't be
Exactly.
So I'll tell you the difference between lawyer, the advocate, and the attorney.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah.
And so no need because
Yeah. Sonke sama lawyer ne.
Yeah.
As long as uphumile sigela nge-LLB yakho or legal qualification.
Yeah.
Whether usebenza ebank or usebenza law firm or uyi-advocate ebar, sonke siyama lawyer. Yabona. Sizibiza sonke as ama lawyer nje. Abantu aba qualified nge-law siyama lawyer. I-attorney ithi ngiqale nge-advocate. I-advocate abantu ama-court specialist. That's the best way I can put it. Yabona. Isipana abasenzayo more than anything bayama lapha ecourt bagcoka ama-gown bese bayasikhulumela. Yabona ukuthi this is the way i-case izoba ngakhona. Yabona. So mawubona umpofu, ubona uSikhakhane, ubona uTrank Grove, ubabona bonke. Yabona ama-advocate niyabona bahlala ispan sabo vele siyenza ke court. Yabona. More than anything else abekho allowed ukuthi bayenze ezinye izinto. So thina ke ama-attorney mina ngiyakhona ukudrafta i-contract for ama-business ayi-2. I-advocate anyeke iyenze leyo nto. Yabona. Or ngiyakhona ukenza like ezinye izinto ezine-admin nyana. Yabona izinto ezingayenzeki e-court. Mara ngiyakhona nami ukufika lapha e-court. Yabona. Nami ngiyakhona. Nami ngiyagcoka igown vele. Yeah. Bese ngiya-argue. Yeah, exactly. So ama-attorney ke thina izinto zethu sizenza buyers so office. So ama-letter, ama-agreement, yabona izinto ezinjalo, yabona. Mara ama-advocate bona uzobabona vele e-court, yabona. So akhona ama-attorney njengami. Sipana e-ofisini usipana nase-court, yabona.
But that is why
Yeah, exactly. So yithi sigaya ama-advocate isipane. Yabona i-advocate anyeke ithatha isipane from wena direct. If wena unenkinga uzoza kimcala. Bese mina ngizokutshela ukuthi okay Rich kumele silande kanje le ndaba le. And mhlambe sayiqeda asiye court. Ziningi indaba eziphelela la. Yeah, yabona. Bese mase kufanele kusiye court ke manje. Abese ngivutha usibani. Ngithi okay ndoda nangu umuntu wami ke ngicela uyomkhulumela la ngoba mina angikhona ukukhuluma.
So abobana bahafa kakhulu.
Ama senior counsel obvious, yabona, because ukuthi boy senior counsel so shaya nge-15 years plus experience and vele uloku yashisa lawo ma 15 years wonke uloku yashisa. Yeah, so yibo ke aba
ukuthi uDalimpofu uyazi ngorepresenta ulono
Mkhwebane.
Yasitawula kanjani? Yadabula ngelanga nje. Sakhiwa ngo-30 score. 30 score that even more.
Yeah.
So question to mhlawumbe ama-lawyer ahola kancane, ama-advocate, attorney advocate izezikhiphayo.
Akufani mfethu, yabona, because obvious asenza izinto ezifanayo. Asinama client afanayo, ama-pocket awafani.
So we are going to represent abantu.
Kuya ngokuthi usipanela bani, unayo inyuku, imetha enjani. Yabona izinto eziningi ukuthi ikhona vele ukubonakala ukuthi hayi la uthi yasebenza. Yeah.
So when it's coming to ama normal case, nama high case, you know, khamba kanjani? Yini difference lapho in terms of a court?
Yeah. Okay, so i-court for i-court wonke ama case ayafana for i-court. Yabona. I-difference ukuthi masengenile court obvious mawufaka iphepha lakho ukuthi okay na summons yami akuna difference. Mara amanye ama-matter mhlawumbe azofuna i-agency ngoba ama-issues wakhona serious afuna ukudilwa nawo manje, yabona. Bese kumele uyitshele i-court ukuthi le matter le i-agent, so uyasho lapho kumaphepha wakho ukuthi le matter le i-agent and i-agent because kunje nakanje, yabona. Bese i-court izobheka it okay no mele vele ke i-agent sizoyizwa as an agent application, yabona. Or mhlambe imatter enama page amaningi. Yabona, bese izofuna like a special allocation. No, kumele sifake court special ngoba lo judge lo uzodila nale matter nyeka khona ukudila namanye ama matter. Yabona izinto ezinjalo. So ziya kanjalo ukuthi yabona zibe nama kube ne ama difference yabona but obvious once manje argue or seswabhekile amaphepha sesiyabona ukuthi okay kuyenzakalani la so obviously matter if it dealing with president obvious high profile exactly yabona but mangene court akuna difference yabona niyaka reach afana mara mase sibheke lawo maphepha ke sonke ke sesiyabona ukuthi okay la zizokhipha la
kuya ngokuthi uthunini ingwenya ngathi counrty kakhulu ngidakisa abantu high court high court na producer yethu umsepana ufuna ukubuza
with regards to e-bail how do they determine ukuthi what bail and
yeah so i-bail i-test yakhona simple it's interest of justice yabona so and what that means is ukuthi i-court mele balance ukuthi okay la tizobaleka or kuzenzakalani yabona so and ungakhohlwa ukuthi as a South African citizen ngithi as long as uhlala eSouth Africa you have the right yokuthi you can't be detained without a trial first and foremost yabona and you have the right yokuthi you have freedom of liberty so freedom of movement is on it freedom of liberty freedom of movement yabona so to begin with obvious mase jail freedom of movement yakho restricted yabona so i-bail manje kumele balance ukuthi okay lo muntu lona kumele simuphi right ukuthi abe ne-ability ukuthi move around but also it's important ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi ama crime are punished sidila nawo okay yabona so manje i-court izo assessa lezo zinto it okay lo muntu lo masimbhekile umuntu ozobaleka umuntu ozo and yini esingayenza ukuthi simake sure ukuthi akabaleki okay masimthathele passport masithi bail ibe 200,000 ngoba siyazi ukuthi yabona anyeke afuna ukuvaya ngoba le 200,000 izombamba kancane yabona so izinto ezideterminayo and obviously seriousness of the crime obvious so because you can't forget that so if umuntu otshontshisinko come on yabona like yabona like yabona but if umabe ubani mfabe lo wase parliament ushisi parliament and according to ama court papers bokumuntu bekana ama terrorist tendencies bekafuna ukuthi yabona ke yabona so obviously yabona leyo crime sengale mfowethu yabona like sengale sekude ngoba manje so yi terrorist ama terrorists ngeke swagaya ibail yabona ukuthi sengale manje yabona nanoma uyahlupheka uhlala ngaphansi kwe bridge but le crime ayishayile yengenye indlela ngoba ngayiphinda futhi and then asazi
and then when in charge with contempt of court are you eligible to e-bail then?
So contempt of court is not a charge it's not a charge as a police station
as it is
because into kumele yenzakala ukuthi once u breach court order mina as umuntu o beneficiary of court order I take it to the court ngithi lo muntu breachile and ubreache ngamabona so kumele ngibonise icourt ukuthi ngimphile court order number 1 uyazi ukuthi court order ikhona and then number 2 mangithi ndoda comply ne court order akazange afune and akangitshelanga ukuthi angikhona comply ngoba mhlambe I'm out of town or kenzakalani yabona uvele wathi hayi go jump yabona so bese mina ngitshela icourt kanjalo ngeaffidavit ngithi okay kenzakale kanje nakanje yabona and then icourt ke yiyo sure determinayo ukuthi okay because sokune contempt because lo muntu ithola i-court order wa ignore ngamabomu sizoyenzani so ya decide court so usually i-court izothi okay you are going to be in breach of contempt so ya confirm bese it is okay isikhathi sokurectify yabona so let's give you 2 months or 3 months whatever mara if I rectify then sizokufahlaka yabona so usually njalo order yakhona yabona mara kuZuma a problem ukuthi icourt yathi mara nanoma singamgaya chance yokurectify lo muntu lo dala lokasho ukuthi anyeka rectify akafuna ukurectify exactly uzimisele yabona so icourt yavele yamfahla ka same time yabona so akusi charge it's a order yenzwa icourt
no ngifuna nje ubahle vele sesathatha base akuyo but nakhona le ngithanda kakhulu ukuthi ilona i-witness at what stage lapho a witness can become a suspect. Or does that happen actually?
Yeah, that happens many times.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yabona kuna writing engithandayo ngelaw mfethu ukuthi akunamuntu uzokuforce ukuthi ukhulume something ezo incriminate.
Okay.
You're not allowed. Yabona mabakubuza iquestion lapha lapho so yabona ukuthi ayi sengiyazifaka. Yeah, no uvele uzishare ukuthi ayi angifuni ukuphendula ngoba ngiyafeara ukuthi ngizozifaka inkinga.
So into oyishoye ecourt iyabhalwa obviously.
Yeah.
It's recorded.
Yeah.
So bayakhona ukuthi let's say icala liyaphela not necessarily liyaphela but maybe postpone to next week. Ne babuye to your notes ama notes abawabhalile ukuthi uphila uthe. So nibona kanjani ubani odetermine nayo ukuthi
yeah obviously if uhleze court
Yeah.
and ukune prosecutor kunamaphoyisa kunani yawona bese uyasho something ukuthi hey ngenze kanje nakanje bese nabo wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi ayi crime lento le obviously bazokulanda yawona amaphoyisa azokucharge kahle bazosho ukuthi no lo muntu uzikhulumela bokuyi statement sakhe lapha ecourt and ungakhohlwa ecourt under oath so kuyi evidence vele from the beginning yeah
ngisho heading ngisho neqiniso ninini uyasimplicator ninini soyabana
exactly
so kusho ukuthi kahle ecaleni umuntu ngathi asecaleni abophisa umuntu nje eboshwe
exactly kuyenzakala yeah zenzakala vele lezo zinto yeah
Also, you can decide not to answer.
You can.
Umlelo umthetho yagaya leyo protection. Umthetho yakutshela ukuthi kunama basis onga decide ukunga answer. So for instance, if ushade nomuntu umuntu wakho wenze something bakubizile as a witness lapha. Uyakhona ukuthi hayi kune privilege. Umthetho uyangivumela ukuthi ngingakhulumi ngomuntu wami ukuthi wenzeni. Yeah, it's a spousal privilege. Ngasho kahle kamnandi nje ukuthi hayi ngine spousal privilege umuntu wami lo I don't have to. And then umuntu divorceile sasekhona leyo privilege. Yeah, sasekhona that privilege. Yabona? And then kunaleyo ukuthi if uzozincriminate yakhona ukutshela icourt ukuthi hayi ngibona kahle ukuthi
ngicela ukuthi
yeah exactly.
Even though you've been subpoenaed,
yeah,
you
can still say it. There are bases on which, so mina if I was a lawyer bangibiza ukuthi bokuyi lawyer ka Rich wenzeni that time boom represent ngizothi ngine privilege yokuba yi lawyer. I don't have to ukuthi ngisho anything and akunamuntu ozoba ne problem icourt izo understand ukuthi vele umthetho uyagaya leyo protection. Yeah
no I zaphahla.
Now how do people know? Because I doubt people know.
No, but what you do is you get a lawyer. When you get a subpoena, guy subpoena via ku lawyer umbuzo ukuthi okay, sengitholele subpoena, what must I do? Uzokutshela ukuthi I vele comply or kahle bukenzakalani ukuthi utholele subpoena. Uzokuexplainela, yabona?
So indaba yama ethics, because you know ukuthi ama ethics they go hand in hand with principles and values, you know. So law iyawalandela ama ethics and kanjani because unokubona ngamanye amacala nje ukuthi ayi la uthi landeliwe nje ama principles ama values abantu.
Yeah, ideally sonke as ama lawyer kumele sibe ne standards sama ethics esi high yabona because the profession in a trust yabona abantu ababhaya bayawa trust ama lawyer yabona so obviously the first thing you have to do is maintain that trust because if as trust ama lawyer as a society kusho ukuthi hayi so kuphelile yabona so kumele uzame ukuthi nanoma something ikuchallenge yabona ubona ukuthi la ngikhona ukusho something mhlawumbe ngitshele something and ngiyabona ukuthi okay ijudge la mangibuza writing anye ngikhona ukusho ukuthi no mele ngikutshele kahle ukuthi Rich from now ngibona ngathi I can't represent you kahle because judge mazongibuza this question I'm going to have to be truthful because I'm an officer of the court kahle ngi-assist i-court more than when one obvious ngiyakurepresent but kukurepresenta in a way yokuthi i-court kumele ibone ukuthi the way when ubeka izinto is the way zihambe ngakhona. So ngi-assist i-court yabona. So if fika la kubonakala ngathi as keep namanga or ngistretch izinto azihlangani akumelange, and actually illegal practice council yakuvumela ukuthi you can say to i-client yakho ukuthi ithi let me stop being your lawyer, mhlawumbe uzothola omunye yabona. Yeah, so kunezinto ezinjalo eziningi yabona that happen. So mhlawumbe wena ubelieve ku-abortion, mina ngibelieve ku-abortion before the Abortion Act came, Termination of Pregnancy Act. Sorry, let me be specific because so bokunama lawyer mhlambe who wouldn't want to represent abantu because they would have broken the law. And abanye they would, and abanye it's because of beliefs. So ethics play an important part because we maintain trust abantu as a legal practitioner. Yeah.
But just to bring it broadly now, when as an attorney, do you believe in the judicial system in South Africa?
Yeah.
Do you really believe?
Yeah.
No, we out here. Benedict, believe I'm on the system.
Okay, I want to mean gama answer too. I want no, ngoba my question I too. So yokala uthe as an attorney, I believe in judicial system. So obvious in Kelezile, I want to reach. I want to case 6 years at UCT, calling a philosophy. Ngaza nge-French, ngaza nge-law, yabona ngikelezile. So obvious as umuntu ogelezile ozifundile le ncwadi understand ukuthi i-constitution isipana kanjani, kuyenzakalani lezi zinto lamaphisi ahlangana kanjani ne. As umuntu onjalo ngiyabelieve mfowethu. Labantu bayaspana ene baspanile. You can see like uZuma lama rules beswashayela uZuma. I-constitutional court itshela iparliament ukuthi wafake. Yabona? Ngalesa sikhathi EFF isu speaker to a court. Same rules zidila no Ramaphosa manje. Zamphahla ke. Uyabona ukuthi direct ngespanile. Yabona? Public protector institution ye constitution. Bokungena public protector South Africa until the constitution. Ubani no keep direct ngamagupta. Public protector. Kwaba nezondo. Uzondo Zuma kayanga. Constitutional court yamfahlaka. Yabona ukuthi direct ngiyaspana. Yayibona ukuthi mawuyibheka kahle amaphisi wakhona ayahlangana. Yabona? Mara if umuntu ongayiboni direct yabona uzoluza nje.
Mawuyithatha ngencindi yase.
Yeah, mawuyithatha nje njengomakhe. Bajala labantu. Ngeke yabosha, yabona. Yeah,
it's sometimes isifiselo nojenza ukuthi sithi hayi bana akekho umuntu above that.
Yeah.
Uzumuzo angeke bababone. Athi ngena nje ngencindi yasekasi. Angeke.
Yeah.
Sayibona uphu baba. Uphu baba.
Yeah. Eyibona ke. Yeah. Ngoba la kunezinye izinto mfowethu. Yabona kunamanye.
Yeah, but we always think thina njengasekasi ukuthi there's always a loophole.
Yeah.
Especially mangabe this public figure. Yabona ukuthi politician egrot. Yabona ukuthi hayi no hayi anyeka zabosha udayiding yabona because ngoba naku uyini. Yes, it is manje abantu banophikisana indaba zawuma esibakhashule izinto.
Yabona ke.
Ukuthi esibakhashule I mean out of let's say I'm not too precise in terms of the number, but let's just say roughly out here uboshelwe ori uchargwa for amacala ayi-20. So wonke wena wazi. Okay, ucharge.
Yeah.
30 yamacala.
Yeah.
Bayangisanganela. So wonke. So I find it difficult with why kuba kanjalo. Ubukela indaba TV analyze Benedict. Yeah, Benedict on ENCA. So tell us, so do you think no, there's always a loophole.
Yeah.
So I come on bethatha la TV yabona manje analyze analyze lawfully yabona ukuthi lo muntu une chance kanjani yabona ezumthetho. But now mina mangibhekile ngihlezi nje ngisusa ispan se media bengizibuza ukuthi you can't be charged with 30 account accounts, but wonke awusavumi one.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because kukanjani South Africa. So yabona ukuthi lento leyenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi mangabe umuntu oyi-public figure, especially, let me just be specific, uyi-politician, above the law.
Yeah. And a problem, I think, because I wanna a problem with I'm a public figure. You get agla case a high profile. That's the problem because and into actually ends up to be a threat to understanding your law because it's the same for everyone. I want if you came to me now, my charges I did.
Yeah.
So I beg I want it okay for imeda kumele kube intention, kumele kube I wanna lo muntu lo kumele would have had to die because of your conduct. I want izinto ezinjalo. So I beg a little test. Bese ngiyasho ukuthi I reach kuna something eshodayo yi. Yabona lo muntu lo bekakushaya. So ene vele mbulele sure. Mara bekakushaya so bokuyi self defense. So kune defense. Yabona already must include because that's what the law provides. Ukuthi it's not always black and white izinto ezenzakalayo and that's why kune law because you might think ukuthi okay ngishaya umuntu ngambulala but kunama reason abhaya ukuthi why kungamelanga uyejele even if ushaya umuntu wambulala yabona and that's why it's called manje problem ukuthi labo bantu abashaya abantu bababulala ama public figure bese sesiyalapha bese siyakhohlwa ukuthi no it happens the same for everyone ukuthi kunama reasons ongawabeka ukuthi okay mhlambe right ngikanje but kahle kahle iyenzakale kanje and uma uyibheka kanje angikho wrong. Okay.
You're still on Happy Days on podcast.
Wish I after murder.
So it's a happy day, a good day. We were just on a happy day. It's a kuluma ngezinto zasekhantini yethu. In fact ngelo namhlanje. So bangabiga manama ideas why atheko isimakhashulu. Isimakhashulu. Now we public So moving on to immorality. So how do you feel when you know you're actually representing someone or uyenzile lento mawuthi uyabheka uthunile emara uthi ufuna and wena mina umrepresent mara nawe mawuthi uyabheka uthunile say aside naba moral yabona oyukhwathula uyi-one noma usplasha before you represent usasendlini yasute
Niyabona la ile ngishoyo it's very important because there's a difference between ama advocate nama attorney.
Okay.
So I'm advocate. The rule is uthatha into abagayayo. Yabona. So you can't just say angifuni. Yabona kumele ube ne reason eserious. Yabona.
Okay.
Ukungathathi matter. So the moment attorney guy matter if you are khona kuyenza leyo matter. Kumele uyithathe. Ama rules of my advocate. Mina yakhona ukufika kimi uthi ngifuna ukconsult kanje this is what happened what bese ngithi reach this matter I don't want to take it yabona so as an attorney I've got the ability
so from me talking to you
exactly so mina personally ngiyazi ukuthi ngishaya ama matter njani yabona ufuna matter complex ezo we're going to advance the law yabona ama arguments esizoyenza funeka indawo ukuthi no la ilaw ayikho clear yabona and then siyazi ukuthi masicedile ngematter even if siyadliwa sifake something ku conversation yabona omunye umuntu uzophika up makaza ngematter similar mhlambe
no bakuhlakaza banokuhlakaza
exactly
because of the way you representing
exactly yabona so mina ama matter ngiwachoose kanjalo yabona if you matter nje simple izinto esilokhu sizenza day in day out angizenzi mina because ngifuna ukuthi ngisifake in a position where I can contribute to ama conversation are important yabona because that's the point is to solve my problem are important
yabona is the way not I think there ukuthi uzoye court so manje umuntu makaye court kancane msebhana mhlambe like maybe kanjani ama lawyer lawa aye court ayawaqamba mama
no
na akaze nje ukuthi
okay ithi ngithi mhlamba bakhona baqamba manga but akumelanga kube kanjalo
akumelanga unfortunately kuyenzeka
mhlambe
emhlabeni wesiphila kuwo
mina ngazi ngibone any colleague mina e-court ngi-argue nomunye angamboni omunye akhuluma amanga yeah but ngiyazizwa obvious izinto ukuthi lo muntu lo wavele wachange lapha e-court wakhuluma esinye istory
nini represent e-court ukuthi ayimang lo muntu lo bamhlakaza phela la manje story sakhe ijiye yonke le nini nebuvala masosoqeda ukutola ukuthi wena bovaya
yeah
ngizange ngikhuluma amanga namsengiyavala ukuthi ucabanga kanjani lento azange kwenzeke kanjalo mos bengisiza wena
no akumelanga ube njalo
well that is why abantu bacabanga ukuthi isipani sama lawyer ucaba mama
yeah
because bebengekho lapho msepa that's your question
ipa isebenza kanjani and how does a lawyer get to be registered
because every lawyer must be registered isn't it
yeah but organization are different
okay.
So everyone who practices as an advocate, as an attorney, and kuma-attorney kunama distinction, kune practicing attorney, njengathi une practice uthatha instructions from a public, yaba usuwa abantu kanjalo, bese kunabanye mhlambe uthola ukuthi kune head of legal eMcKinsey, for instance, bengi head of legal eMcKinsey, so bathi non practicing because client yakho eMcKinsey. Or BP or whatever yabona because bakhona abantu abahlala ngaphakathi kweorganization ukuthi mhlambe head of legal SABC ungaphakathi la but so yena non practicing so ama non practicing attorney sonke is registered legal practice council yazi ukuthi okay kuno Benedict u registerwe ngal this day kanjalo and then ama advocate ngoba bona baspanel uspana we1 awuna mhlambe employee yakho i-secretary or yabona but uspana we1 bona ke bafoma bathi ama-bar association
okay
yeah and then so for instance kune broader let's say Johannesburg Society of Advocates where ama-advocate abhaya wase-Johannesburg abelonga kuyo and then if you're a member of the Johannesburg Society of Advocates it means ukuthi kumele ube belong to a bar association. It's a grouping of yama advocate. Yeah.
Okay.
So bas organize abona bas gaya rule. You ba set up allow ma rule. But if you part of this bar association, these are the rules for the bar association. But the main rules is a legal practice council. Is which apply to all of us. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when we're talking about the corruption now within that judicial system, we call a situation whereby you'll find a lawyer offering you to lose a case, deliberate.
I don't know about that. Yeah.
Are you losing it?
Yeah. Yeah.
brown envelope
Yo.
Hey, brown envelope sebenza
system
yelo.
Hayi mina ngayiboni riding.
Okay.
Yazi ngiyezwe izinto abona ku media nani. No, but
I mean we learn.
Abona
Spanelo mangwaye court.
Anye ngitshele ne rich ukuthi ngwengayibona riding. Because angayiboni.
Okay.
Angayiboni. Yabona. So mina ngizoba ngikhuluma amanga ngithi ngwengayibona ngamehlo wami. Mara obvious ngiyafunda amaphepha nani yabona so like yeah.
South African citizens.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe asikhulume number one in the office of this country. Obviously following a very high profile case, I wonder if we should call it a case as it is, or because last week the High Court apparently Cyril Ramaphosa, he has the case to answer.
Section 89 panel, yeah.
Isebenza kanjani ayiding?
Yeah.
Ngoba besizithulisile ama chance ukuthi angeke
Yeah.
Oh. To manje
ngo9 ebusuku.
Zakwathi ingwenya zami zincane Cyril blood.
Yeah.
Zithi baba mkhipha kuzohlala ba. Yeah. Babuza. Ngathi zisha. Aphatha umuntu esishaya. So ngifuna ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi kahle sipana kanjani lento leyo ukuthi now apparently same find out according to the clause issue.
So section 89 ye constitution ibeka mechanism yokuthi okay masifuna ukhipha upresident before election or anything enjalo yabona simkhipha kanjani Yabona eniyasho ukuthi okay, one kumele kube ne serious misconduct.
Yeah.
Two, a serious violation of the law or the constitution.
Itself, yeah.
Or three, incapacity or umuntu angasakhona ukuyenza isibani.
Yeah.
Yabona. So but before ufika kuleyo finding ukuthi lo muntu lo kune serious misconduct.
Yeah.
Kumele iparty in parliament ishaya emotion yokuthi no. Kumele sicala ipanel ezo investigate ukuthi can we say ukuthi kunama grounds ukuthi lo muntu lo might be guilty of this thing.
Okay.
Yabona?
Yeah.
So i-ATM iqalile yathi no. Arthur Fraser uyile lapho wayo complain. And nama uyibheka writing.
Serious.
Serious if kuneqiniso. Le mali yasazi ukuthi phuma. Yeah.
So
Akuna invoice, akuna ini.
Money laundering.
Yayibona ke kusho ukuthi manje kumele investigate ukuthi president wethu angaba involved in money laundering, and not only money laundering. Mina mangukcharge ngokugaya invoice ngithi rich na invoice ngibhadale yabona. And why ngine invoice if uSARS manje uzongi-audita kusasa ngiyambonisa ukuthi nayi imali engiyenzile. Yeah, I want. That's why I skip my invoice.
Oh, okay.
That's why I go my invoice.
Does it mean ukuthi mabati he has a case to actually answer? Sege charged.
Agaga be charged. I want. So leyo panel. Yeah. If bega zonke lezo zinto. So le invoice is the first one ekhulume ngayo, for instance le panel.
Okay.
Kune businessman yase Sudan. Ovele wafika ngeChristmas mfowethu. Akashanga ama arrangements ngoba uCyril akabagayanga ama correspondence ukuthi lo muntu lo ushayi order or kenzakalani yabona akayenzanga ama arrangements uvele wasifikele farm wathi ngizothatha ama buffalo yabona kanjani yabona
ama antelope
kanjani
because ngiyazi Ramaphosa incane antelope
yeah yeah so ipanel isho kanjalo so ngifuna ukuvele ngibeke la like at the beginning ithi kuza kanjani. Why ungasitshelanga ukuthi lo muntu lo uze kanjani? Kuze kanjani ukuthi afike ngeChristmas kanjani yabona? And then on top of it, hakuna invoice. Kusho ukuthi manje makungena invoice already nje so sikaye impression yokuthi awuzange ucomply neVAT, awuzange ucomply yabona izinto ezinjalo. So enakasigayanga invoice Ramaphosa kuleyo panel akabagayanga invoice yabona. So obvious manje leyo panel ithi okay masibheka right ngathi uviolate umthetho.
Okay.
Because it means ukuthi awubhadalanga iVAT. It means ukuthi yabona so and that's all that the panel was saying ukuthi mhlambe yabona mhlambe kuna something okumele abanye abantu bayi-investigate yabona. And ipanel iphelele lapho ithi okay masithathe right nge-invoice. If akuna invoice kusho ukuthi uphula umthetho weVAT ne-income tax yabona. So kusho ukuthi manje kunomunye umuntu okumele investigate this thing sibone ukuthi uphulile umthetho na. Yeah yabona. And manje lo muntu ozo-investigate kuzoba yi-committee ye-parliament.
Okay.
And izobiza wonke umuntu ke ithi okay wena ke wogayele receipt to Mr. Hamis bekuphi invoice mawuphi receipt kuze kanjani ukuthi uHamis afike la. So angaphuma still.
So yena uzo-answera kubani?
Uzo-answera to i-committee ye-parliament.
Oh, i-committee ye-parliament.
Yeah.
So nini nathi soyibona sumphakathi.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nayingwenya answer.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, kwenzakala kanjalo. So manje ipanel ivele yathi no mara kunama question. Yeah. And masibhekile lama question mele I-investigate kahle ngoba if i-answer is the other way kusho ukuthi lo muntu uphulile umthetho.
So kahle lo muntu kungenzeka still up.
Kungayenzeka exactly.
So uzoba find i-committee ye-parliament ukuthi no anyway akuna next.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you must remember we're heading to close days to national conference. Part. Yabo. So go high umashushu yabo. Abantu aba-against yena bayashude singahle simphatha. So I understand ukuthi now ubani ozodetermine if let's say you find no guilty or a committee leyo ithola ukuthi president wenza imbondo serious la. So kuzochunakalani kwenzakalani country to actually have an interim president.
Okay.
According to the law.
So kunama scenario 2 angithi. So obviously if le committee yenzakala upresident uzoya kuyo, and then the committee izosho ke ukuthi ku-parliament, the rest of parliament, ukuthi okay, lo muntu lona mele simvote out or not. And then the rest of parliament must also vote. And lapho 2/3. So it's high. When it's not good to zotola 50%, bese uyaphuma. So it can happen, ukuthi this thing can be bad for the president the whole way, but
it might even take longer.
Exactly. And
because I'm thinking it's December already.
Exactly.
So izothatha isikhathi, and then iqhubeke i-conference ahalalise bamdonsa sebemdonsa amahlehla. Abantu mahlehla labo January. So ulona upresident njengomuntu oholder the highest office in the country. Maybe kanjani? Ufunga kanjani?
Usho kanjani?
Ufunga different than any other people, like people abo minister. Mawuthi
put it in English.
Yeah, no.
Putting it.
No, that one you must put in English.
Yeah, how do you make your vow, to say, help God, help me, to make sure that I uphold the Constitution.
Yeah.
Is it different from the ministers or this?
Yeah,
same thing?
it's a different one.
Yeah.
And the reason is because the president he's got a bigger obligation than everybody else in upholding the Constitution. He's got a lot more constitutional responsibilities than most people. So his office is the highest, so it's the strictest. So kumele vele la umguy the highest oath. Mara into bengifuna kuyikhuluma. If mhlambe let's say ku conference bayamsusa president or resign, then the acting president is over deputy president. Or, so it's in the order. It's first the deputy president, but if the deputy president maybe is not available or can't act or whatever, it's any other member of cabinet. Abakhetwa cabinet. But that acting period must be for 30 days, and within that 30 days, Parliament will elect a new president. So new president will come from Parliament. It's not automatic. Go to deputy president or anyone else.
So Halima Matlante was chosen by Parliament?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now moving to another, the one layer high, Yamapalapala. Yeah, but it's not necessarily Yamapalapala. That guy who was a goalkeeper, he can't.
Yeah, exactly.
So now I'm worried.
Yeah.
According to the law, I know you don't want to touch face mask.
Yeah.
No, before we get there, to understand that, I know you explained I'm an attorney and advocate, but there's an instructing attorney coming to what he was talking about. Therefore, apparently there was...
Not to therefore, that other guy we were tata over after therefore,
Yes. What's an instructing attorney and his side?
Yeah, so the way we explain it, I attorney, I advocate the span. So I'm a witness, I'm accused, was of fair game. But we've been charged with murder. This is the case against us. Basically, I package into a brief, advocate deaf. Get advocate deaf, represent my client one. So I'm the instructing attorney in that, you see what I mean? I'm instructing or advocate therefore in that instance. So similarly, if Mahashul uzofika kwa-10 yakhe at labantu laba bang charger for asbestos wathatha izinto zakhona understand. Bese mina I take the brief and I give it to an advocate. Please represent these people, him on my behalf. So I'd be the instructing attorney. So so that's what it means. Okay,
so Elon advocate no kwenzeka ingafolo which the laws of the law.
It's not possible. Ganja.
Yeah, but ngibekisanga advocate. Nini nikhuluma ngolawyer. Ukuthi ujudge uyamlawyer. Really. Ekhothi ukulawyer ngithi bathe skip. Angeke ngibophize ngithi ungulawyer. I mean, what's the proof?
Mara mhlambe the law seyifikile ku stage where ngingakise court because ungiloyile.
But manje
And we won't know until someone makes the argument.
But
You understand?
Ngokusho manje ngingaya ecourt ngithi uThebo utshontshe ibicycle lami ne ngibuya kwilona ngibuya kwinyanga manje ngimbonile siphilini.
No, the proper question is, does law integrate our traditional customs?
Yeah.
With regards to our traditional healer.
Yeah, ngibona uThebo siphilini.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nasi siphili. Ngibona uThebo siphilini bese ijudge ithi zwala naso siphili.
Yeah, no, the law integrates everything, you know.
Oh, okay.
You mustn't forget, Uguti, let's say you change something.
Okay.
An important consideration in criminal law is your state of mind, intention.
Yeah.
Bugenzakalana engqondweni yakho.
That time, yeah.
When you Oscar Pistorius, for instance, you heard a lot. He was afraid. You see what I'm saying? Because the important thing is what is happening in your mind. What is happening? Because that tells ukuthi ngifuna ukumbulala lo muntu or not, or ngiyasaba or kenzakalani. So obvious, if uphathwa amadlozi, whatever is happening in your mind and it causes something that has an adverse reaction, it's up to your lawyer to convince the court ukuthi you did not have the intention to do that thing because bogenzakala kanje. You see. So a court can look at it and say, no, it's possible. Ukuthi lo muntu lona bekaphathwe izinto zakhe, and even though kenzakale kanje, bekangabelieve, bekangekho vele kule intention ukuthi ngifuna ukubulala lo muntu. Yeah. So obviously it's just a mistake ukuthi kenzakale kanje, but bekabelieve whatever I believe in that moment. Yeah.
Okay, so umthetho kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama umuntu ungambophisa noma like ngifuna ukuyibuza kanjani mawudakiwe
Anye kubophisa umuntu udakiwe obvious angithi phela lezi amakhosi ayazi investigator man like yo
ambophisa mawudakiwe Benedict let's say ngise court and then bese basho ukuthi uyamshaya ngempama uBenedict umshayile vele ngempama uRich yabo bese ilawyer yakhe ithi uBenedict bebedakiwe banoRich yabo bese mina ngiyayikhulumela mhlambe or ilawyer yami yasho ukuthi vele at the time konke kwenzeka lokho bebedakiwe labantu lento ayikhulumayo lo naye bekedakiwe so uyayithatha ecourt into yokuthi benidakiwe whilst bekwenzeka such.
No, mara kumele ubheke angithi ukuthi okay if udakwe to which degree. Udakwe to a degree ukuthi awukhona ukubona ukuthi kuyenzakalani uappreciate izinto zenzayo. You understand? So because kunezinto nokhona ukuthi ufika kanjani ukuthi udakwe. Yabona so it's not a simple answer because icourt kumele ibheke and ungakhohlwa ukuthi the right thing must be done. Yabona at the end of the day. So it can't just be ukuthi mawudakiwe siyakeka ukuthi enze nanoma yini.
Ngicala bosenzo ukuthi labantu bebehlezi endlini and then bebedakiwe. Yet out there no besingadakwa ngabe siphuza. Yabona. Should you start amanzi ambondlwana mara hayi ukuthi besidakile.
But just why important leyo question because it's about ukuthi ubone kanjani. Angithi ukuthi lo muntu bekagcoka isport or bekagcoka ijazi or yabona bokhona ukubona kahle ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Yabona because siyazi ukuthi alcohol yabona so that's why bambuza leyo question ukuthi ukhumbula kahle na. So manje evidence yakho exactly. So evidence yakho masi test. And mhlawumbe umunye uzothi lo muntu bekagcoka iskipa esiblue, omunye athi bekagcoka iskipa esipurple, omunye athi pink. So manje must testa and then lowe pink uyongadawanga. Laba bayi two blue and purple. So yabona ukuthi kune credibility thing yokuthi okay laba ngathi nje siba believe kahle. Yabona ngoba bebangekho right mhlawumbe bebaphuza for 6 hours yabona.
Ngoba uyabona mama ulithethwa licalo yabona ama can you focus on good. Because the is strong.
But the guy says they had a couple of drugs. On the crime scene, but only a few cans.
So but in what
happened to the rest
the
of
others?
The cans?
The other cans.
So it's questionable ukuthi
exactly.
Yeah, it's questionable
exactly. Yeah. And important that thing because obviously kwaba nescaffold. So obviously futhi akwe to the extent ukuthi awukhona ukuvuka ugijima.
Yeah.
So mawuthi ungenile lapha ebedroom wazivalela ungene nini. Yabona izinto ezinjalo. So that's why kumele siwabuze lama question ukuthi uphuze nini, uphuze kangakanani. Yabona because
and then nama specialists are should mama baphuze I 66 so ingwenya leyana eke yaboshwa iboshela yona icala labo lakasenzo meyiwa the previous guy before banjwa labantu abayi5 khona out yaboshwa le begezi karika senzo apparently le out le yakhishwa yebo le out yakhishwa to haye ngathi siyamsukela. So now according to law in South Africa, the outlayer kumela ukuthi isubi state ngoba iboshiwe wrongfully. So mangabe kutholakala ukuthi hayi kahle kahle ikhishiwe la out akusiyo because apparently ngathi bayikhomba so it's either icherabo lona ukeli someone oyikhombile ukuthi hayi ingwenya bizwa ke mase sekulandelelwa kuyathola ukuthi no ingwenya umuntu ba iziyasho ukuthi mina bengigezikari usenzo ngijwayele ngambulelelana sana so ikhishiwe umthetho so le outlay ine chance nayo ukuthi ingaba nenyuko.
So wrongful arrest yabona if uzosuwa so there must be two things ungakhohlwa ukuthi amahata they can arrest you for a reasonable suspicion.
Okay.
So firstly is bebam arresta with or without a reasonable suspicion. And a reasonable suspicion means ukuthi kuna something a pointer to lo muntu yabona. So anye ngivele ngilande nje. But if kuna something yabona ukuthi evidence ngaya ku so obviously suspicion yami reasonable. So say sengiphumile ku wrongful arrest yabona. And then but if akuna reasonable suspicion so let's say back me on the side of the road ba search imoto for ibhama bazithola ibhama baga arrest. Obviously there's no reasonable suspicion. Bese uset proof la pa Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday ufike court. Yabona ungasuwa for a wrongful arrest in that situation. But also there must be something oyiluzayo. You can't just sue to yabona so if uluze mhlambe like awukhona usebenza so business yakho ivalile that day then uyakhona ukusuwa lawo ma losses yokuthi okay mara dignity your dignity nayo inemali yabona
let's say uyaboshwa wrongful arrest uyagwetshwa nokugwetshwa kufika ku point ukuthi ugwetshiwe iminyaka you understand awushunanga la idea later on after 8 years uthebe lapho bhekwa ke lapho bheka dignity more than anything
namali ngoba manje awusana spani awusakhona ukuspana so ne criminal records yabona kunezinto ezibhaya yabona so obviously you must sue kanjalo and uzowina vele if because that was completely wrongful.
And then masasiza kwingwenya Janusz Waluś mhlawumbe ngizocala nje point ukuthi vele obviously yagwetshwa ingwenya yahlala 28 years ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo iyahayarish paint
inde
angithi bathi mose danyanya no harish paint like khona out etshela ichera ukuthi izwakala ne paint
serious
so harish paint for 2 weeks ulala na
yo
uyalihang embedeni you understand like out in a paint yalandela liza kimi next out ifuna uhlala ne paint ziphahlakele so na ilhayarishile obviously 20 something years so mina bengibuza ipoint yayo ukuthi njengoba iya ithole
parole
importance ye family ukuthi kuxolele ingakanani for you to actually be granted parole.
So I think it's more important to go to wena you must ask for forgiveness. Because I think that is a factor. Assessment ukuthi umuntu sizomgaya parole ukuthi umuntu lo remorseful so uyabona ukuthi lento ayenzile wrong and that thing we ayibona nje ngokuthi okay ngeke ngazama ukuthi ngicela ningixolele yabona so uwalusu uzameka i2 mara udimphakazanga asho lutho.
Okay.
Yabona. So aruzamile. Yeah, uzamile. Yabona. So enye into ke ukuthi the fact ukuthi akamcolelanga doesn't mean ukuthi he mustn't get a parole.
Okay.
And ungakhohlwa futhi.
Oh, it doesn't necessarily mean
ukuthi mele ngucolele. Yeah,
okay.
No. As long as wena kubonakala ukuthi you are sorry for lento you've shown remorse and you've asked for forgiveness. And kunama psychological reports abantu bayakhohlwa. Kudayile ngayenzekala emoyeni nje bese yafika ufika kuthepha ukuthi I'm sorry bese uyolanda iparole. No. Ama psychologists ahlala nawe nama psychiatrists akubheke ukuthi ugrand na. Yabona like emqondweni wakho so umuntu so right because ungakhohlwa ukuthi prison ya rehabilitate kumele vele mawuphume lapho so be corrected so bakubheka nabo so uyawathola ama report wathi no lo muntu seka right and then ne mind space yakhe se right umuntu seka ready yokubuyela emhlabeni yabona so it's not uvele walanda nje wathi no ngicela iparole no yonke into uyenzile bokumela yenza ama psychologists confirm ukuthi lo muntu sharp
and ngizwe bathi ngonyebe nesithombe sika Kelly Khumalo So public opinion versus administrative law, like public opinion, because public opinion which abantu they bacabanga ngakhona because there are mixed feelings and mixed reactions with regard to ukuthi abanye abantu njengami nje I'm thinking okay uKhrizani was a politician. If it was just me and you think bekungaba ne outcry kangaka ukuthi ngeke baze bashaya igoni nanolilas not bashaya igoni so obviously kuthiwe qedani ngayo before I saw that along and why igoni lenzeka ngayo
ngalesikhathi
sele a few days 10 days ababagaye sikhala amagoni so obviously yenza ukuthi umphakathi usole ukuthi okay khona abathe asicwaleni ngayo simphathalele ngegoni lazama ingane nasalisabi igoni so ngibuza ukuthi inayi influence na kulento leyo ukuthi ipublic ifila kanjani or is it fair na enough in terms of ukuthi umuntu obulawiwe ubani
no yazi akumelanga ukuthi public opinion ingene kuma decision record akumelanga because obviously yabona ukuthi it's because uChrizani because ama circumstances it's political but it might not be the right thing to do ukuthi lo muntu ahlale angabi ne parole see because obviously kunamanye ama rights ku constitution nanani beswakhuluma khona manje yabona so public opinion should never matter to a court it should never matter a court must always give out what the law is
just after they were given 10 days with Bamkipe Nomsa had his own protest around it you know so yabona lento le ukuthi abantu bafila like ukuthi abanye bafila like umuntu nje just a normal citizen ekungeke kubeka kube dala ithuli
exactly
so sometimes kunokungabi fair enough in terms of you know the way system ihamba
mara mina ethi ngikutshela ukuthi ubani omoshile la
khona umuntu omoshile
i-minister because i-minister ne-parliament because niyazi ukuthi kunomuntu ejele engafuni ukuthi aphume ne and niyazi ukuthi umthetho uzomvumela ukuthi athole iparole niyahlala lo muntu uyapply for a parole uloku uyapply uloku uyamdecline so i-minister bekumele imdecline ngama reasons are right yabona because the problem ukuthi uyawama-approve wonke kwasala i-reason eyi-1 leyo reason ukuthi no i-court yathi the crime you committed was serious or yabona so manje rayide ngichange kanjani kusho ukuthi anyeke azaphume
umuntu yabona ukuthi angasho baningi abantu ababulewe ngesihluku
yabona ke
but lawo bantu baphumile
but deserve a parole yabona so there was either meant to be a minister asho kahle ukuthi mina anyeke ngokuphi parole because 1 2 3 these other things awukazi satisfy mara wasifaka eboxini wasala nge-reason A1
ngale reason le unreasonable
unreasonable yabona. So manje what was meant to be happening makaloka apply le parole lo muntu lo iparliament bokumele ifake umthetho yokuthi yazi nabantu abagwetshwe for ama-apartheid crimes mhlawumbe bona nyeke sibagaye parole
so i-constitution
or parole yabo will be after 50 years yabona ke
the constitution abayidraftile
yayibona
working against
yeah so yibo ababhayizile because balokhu bayibhekile le problem since 2010 iloke 2000
kwazi ukuthi mangabe umuntu ema-politician ngesikhathi just after new dispensation yabona indaba yakhe ayisibani
exactly and bebangayenza right because angithi manje yibo abantu abamamela ama-public yibo ama-parliamentarians yibo ke abasirepresentayo so obvious if bafila ngathi ama-South Africans afuna kube kanje why bangayifakanga right bayekela icourt and icourt anyeke ingene lapho yabona yibo abantu abamoshile.
The problem is there are certain people who are arrested in Katise apartheid like the soldiers from the Apla and Bona it was completely different from Janusz.
Yeah.
Bona it's a different circumstance.
Yeah.
Because Bona they were fighting for freedom.
Yeah.
Mara unfortunately they were not released.
Yeah.
Till today abanye basa saved.
Yeah. But why banga release? Yeah, you understand? Because it's a political thing. Why president engakhona ukubagaya ama-pardon labo bantu? Because the president in a power yokubagaya ama-pardon. So why basahlezi behind bars for ama crimes during that time? Balweli freedom why? Yabona ukuthi labantu laba baspan because if bebasenza ispan sabo benyeke izifike at this thing constitutional court. Yeah.
Yeah, we should die and die ko ayihambile fair.
Yeah.
Ayenzwanga and ayijike khawathe bona.
Exactly.
Exactly. The constitution mele bayenze ukuthi ibe balance
in
a way.
Yeah.
Not favor you ukuthi ubani ubani.
Yeah.
At that time. So before sivala utham asikhulume indaba yokuthi nangu umntwana la ubukele ufuna ukuba i-advocate ufuna ukuba i-lawyer ufuna ukuba i-attorney ukuthi yini into umuntu ongamadvisor yona right now and yini into wena kenza ukuthi uvele ufuna ukuba i-attorney.
Yeah.
You out nje sekhasini mangazana.
Yeah.
Ukuzibuza ukuthi i-attorney siyiblomela siyibombela nale-attorney.
Yeah.
And I wonder bayazi this side of
Yeah, bayazi yabona like
SABC. We have online Benedict Phiri. I'll tell my thing is to me there. But we want. Make it to share and tell me bele.
Yeah.
So a professional culture, but I'm saying kunabantu who are actually very keen to become what you are right now.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Ukuthi akubo umuntu okomunye umhlaba.
Yeah.
It doesn't take a different person to become what you can.
Yeah.
You can be whoever you want to be in life.
Yeah.
Generation ekhula.
Yeah.
So what can be your word of advice?
Yeah.
A critical one ukuthi challenge a girl child or a boy child or obukela khona manje it doesn't.
Yeah.
Mntwana yami shera sekas ungaba yini noma yini.
Yeah.
Uqale kanjani wena ukuthi ufeel ukuthi or was it by default?
Hayi bokungasi default yabona.
Yeah,
mina ngicale high school bengibhala school newspaper. Ukuyimi editor ye school newspaper. Bengikhetha le story ezingenayo ukuthi yabona. So vele from the beginning bengazi ukuthi okay I've got something to share. Yabona and the way ngishare ngakhona it's a way yokuthi yakhona like create like a change yokuthi umuntu ucabanga kanjani or abheke problem in a different way yabona izinto ezinjalo yabona so bengazi vele ukuthi nginaleyo leso skill and vele bengifuna ukuchange izinto bengilungifuna ukuchange izinto njalo manga change izinto man izinto asifeel fair yabona like bengeleza khona iSN Davids mara ngihlale force so mina ngene ebhasini ngo5 laba bavuka ngo7 7 bangenile mina ngena ngo8 yabona like dala ngivukile mina ngisebhasini the whole time yabona khona la khona across the road from la office ngiyahleka njalo ngikubona bebazosho ukuthi ngizine office la yabona yeah so I think bengihlukumeza man why mina ngihluphekile why yabona why mina yimi okumele ngisafari anyway mawuyibheka vele this thing I create umthetho there's nothing else I create umthetho ukuthi sibe kanje ezabodaki and yabona like society is the way it is because of umthetho not because of abantu because of umthetho so bengifuna ukchange umthetho like it was that simple yabona iqale rara I think but bengekho sure ngelo I knew what I had something to say so ngavaya ngayo study philosophy ne French so ngene first year French ngena any French background ngayishaya for 3 years e university benginswembu French is French ngiyakhona ukubhala is French ngiyakhona ukukhuluma is French ngeke ungishiye lapha eFrance
is French nesi Portuguese romanti awusho something in French mhlambe amashela zongcibili
hayi yo songifaka ku sport man hayi awuyancane hayi already nje
French restaurant.
Yeah.
It says, how are you, my brother? Yeah. Thanks for coming. I was thinking, Manyo.
Yeah.
I'm a French, they don't actually pay back when I'm the way.
Yeah.
It's French.
Yeah, exactly.
Right to
no. Ufuna nje kutaya hey lo futhi lona
yeah. By the way, you're not still in the market.
No, I'm off the market, Rich. Yo, yeah. So grab my 1 month.
Yeah, so
Igumnandi. Phela ngishaya 1 year singile mfethu. Bokufiwa mfethu.
Boke waba nomuntu.
Yeah, bengabe nomuntu mina twice divorced mfethu. Yabona in 10 years between 30 and 40. Ama divorce ayi2. Ngishade kayi2 ngadivorce kayi2.
Aruyenza introspection.
Asengiright mfethu sengimnandi. Shawo moya yabona nalomuntu enginaye awumuntu wami lo. Exactly.
I saw the sister is French. Take care, please. Ivan Kren. Ningasuka now.
Mara ukhona ulebu musayasha ama divorce engakhe. Yeah, it's fine. So it's fine. Yabona.
First question engombuza ukuthi ngiyasangana nemini. Are you serious? Bahamba more. So uthini we youth out.
Yeah, so mawubheka lo Janusz ungafika ke ngathi lo after philosophy because bengibonile ukuthi iphilosophy angeke ngigaye opportunity yabona the way ngakhona manje yabona ukuthi ngiyakhona ungena ecourt ngiargue imatter ngiyakhona ukukhuluma TV ngikhuluma something yabona iphilosophy bengeke ngigaye le opportunity so ngavela ngaqeda ngelaw and then the rest is history ngaspana kanjalo and the funny thing is Transnet ne Eskom mayenzakala la eMcKinsey bengi head of legal la eMcKinsey yeah it's hey mfethu
defender lelo
abengaba defend bengibaqayela mara bazikhawadile yabona like yeah so and why ngisho kanjalo is because sometimes that ngiyakuthola yabona so there's an element ukuthi when you ready yabona ukuthi ngaba head of legal eMcKinsey or ngafana nompofu yabona there's an element yaloko but there's also an element yokuthi kumele ube masithi ready you must be a person ukuthi sozijelile ukuthi I'm going to make a difference la uzongibeka khona I'm going to make a difference and I think umuntu ofuna ukustudy shilo if you don't want to make a difference anyeke ube successful anyeke it is yabona i-profession le mfethu une responsibility of make it difference une responsibility of change izinto ihlala la it becomes heavy on you ukuthi you must do something right so if you don't have that you won't make it so have a qala lapho
But anyone can be an attorney.
But anyone can do it.
Yeah.
The question is uzoyenza to which degree. Ngoba asifani.
Asifani, yeah.
Asifani. Yeah. Ungakhona ukuhlala lapha ofisini sugaya ama contract all day. Yabona ubhayisela abantu imoto nge-hire purchase. It's fine. Now ama lawyers span lapha. Yabona. But are you making a difference? You understand?
Yeah, I know. Abantu nebazike mangabe happy days ngenze ikhawathe uzobe ikhawathe.
Ikhawata kanjani?
Yeah, ngoba isendaweni yakho. Uzobaduzi. Izasithulela. Manje baphi abantu? Buzanu.
Yeah, buzanu mustard.
Mustard wesikhawathi athamba.
Thank you brother. I know. Ngamnandi Prarish. I know.
Happy days on podcasts. Right.
I'm Nandi.